2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.